Scientists have named the side effects of tea consumption. Good afternoon, dear viewer. The most useful and interesting information just for you. I wish you all goodness, happiness, love and a peaceful sky. So let's go. Drinking too much tea in the afternoon or evening can disrupt your sleep schedule or increase your risk of esophageal cancer. Tea has many useful properties. Scientists have warned about the side effects of this drink. Side effects of tea consumption. Violation of the natural rhythm of the body. Tea contains a lot of caffeine. The black, white, and green varieties average between 14 and 61 milligrams of caffeine per serving. Drinking too much tea in the afternoon or evening can disrupt your sleep schedule, which will also disrupt your circadian rhythm. Therefore, you should not abuse a hot drink. Increased risk of esophageal cancer. Drinking hot tea has been linked to esophageal squamous cell carcinoma. Scientists noted that drinking large amounts of hot black tea was one of the main causes of esophageal cancer. Other studies have shown similar results. Hot tea causes long-term damage to the esophagus. Decreased iron level. People with anemia or any other type of iron deficiency should avoid tea. Black and green varieties limit the bioavailability of iron to 94%. Bladder disorders. Black and green teas are considered diuretics, that is, substances that cause frequent urination. Scientists warn that the diuretic nature of green and black tea can lead to electrolyte imbalance and dehydration. Constipation. Tea contains theophylline. This compound is included in coffee and tea. It is sometimes used to smooth the muscles of the respiratory tract in patients with asthma. Drinking theophylline from tea can cause gastrointestinal upset, according to a report from the Internal Medicine Agency for Cancer Research. Scientists have discovered new useful properties of green tea. Name new advantages that will make you use green tea more often. The benefits of green tea for the body have long been known to scientists and doctors. However, a new study has shown that this popular drink is an inexhaustible source of useful properties. Let's talk about how green tea affects a person's health. What was the experiment? The new study, published in Current Developments in Nutrition, involved 40 subjects, 21 of them with metabolic syndrome and 19 healthy adults. They were given green tea extract for 28 days and a placebo. The scientists found that blood glucose levels were lower in those who took the green tea extract than in those who took the placebo. The study also showed that green tea treatment reduced intestinal inflammation. One of the authors of the experiment, Richard Bruno, said, "This tells us that within 1 month we can lower blood glucose in both people with metabolic syndrome and healthy people, and the reduction in blood glucose seems to be associated with less leaky gut and less gut inflammation, regardless of the state of health." Useful properties of green tea. In addition to lowering blood sugar and having a positive effect on the intestines, this drink has many other beneficial properties. Green tea is known to be a great source of antioxidants, substances that help fight inflammation in the body. Also, tea improves the functioning of the brain and can protect the main organ of the central nervous system in old age. The popular drink speeds up metabolism, so it is recommended to drink it when losing weight. It is worth taking into account that 1 cup of green tea contains about 30 milligrams of caffeine, while the daily norm is 400 milligrams. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, leave your comments. I wish you all love, happiness, kindness and a peaceful sky.